วัสดีค่ะ Today I'm going to make lunch for my staff again, like every day, lunchtime. And I always try and make a different thing. Today I have a special menu. We pick yesterday we picked this. This is the leaf of we call it snowy orchid tree, the leaf from the tree. Which is this is a eatable eatable plant, big tree, and we pick the leaf. The flower is white. We have different colors like white, red, right? Kind of pink and red, white, pink, mix it up. There are different variety. But this is one of them. But this one we call the snowy orchid tree. The flower look very close, look like an orchid. And then I'm gonna cook it with snakehead fish, but this is the dry snakehead fish. Dry snakehead fish. And curry paste, more like red curry paste that most people know about red curry, green curry and stuff, but this is the paste. But the ingredients are slightly different, the local style. And instead of adding shrimp paste, we add the fish paste here. And in the curry paste, the ingredients are dry chili, garlic, shallot, lemongrass, ginger, fish paste. This is like the main base for jungle curry or local curry. Okay, I have water boiling here. Now it's cooked. So I'm going to add the curry paste into the water. Okay, break it up. I will let it boil. This water is about 2 liters. I make a big portion, so I love this curry, same as my stuff. So for 2 liters, and the curry paste seems not a lot. Maybe one more. It's about a tablespoon. Another one, like 2 tablespoons. But we use the bird eye chili, the dry bird eye chili paste to making it. It's very hot. I will let it boil for a couple minutes, and during that, I'm gonna prepare the dry fish. Very good. We got this from the farmer market the other day. Now, chilies, fish in there. Fish in there. Fish in there. I'm gonna boil them until this dry fish, soft. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. Yeah, about 5 minutes. Chili smell, huh? I love dry fish, and I love the head part. I keep a really nice stock. Keep some for later. That's good flavor. We'll let it boil like 4 or 5 minutes, and we're gonna add that one in. During that cooking, so I have water boiling here. I'm gonna make different things. So this is a galanga, Thai ginger, lemongrass. I'm smashing it because to open the aroma. Now I put my mask on because of chili smell. It makes me sneeze. So this will help a little bit when the chili, calm down. Not too strong smell. When you cook for a while, then I will take it out. But for now, I keep it all. Okay, I have kaffir lime in there. Kaffir lime leaf in there. Galanga, lemongrass. Turmeric. This is a fresh turmeric. Okay, fresh turmeric. Cut them, put them in. Turmeric, chili, okay, now it's time to add this one in. Everyone's sneezing because of the chili smell. I'm gonna add some more water in. You was walk away and sneeze. It was too much. It's steaming up. For sour taste, salt and fish salt, coconut sugar, put some salt in. So the taste is spicy, sour, salty. So มันก็จะเผ็ดเปรี้ยวเค็มแซ่บมาก In Thai แซ่บนะแต่อีสานor the northeast of Thailand is sap that means delicious, but also for us because we are from the north, sap that means very rich, very deep, flavorful. I love the lime juice in it. I can just drink the whole bowl. Yeah, that's it. One thing done. One thing. Tomato, fish. Yum, yum, yum.